Hey guys, so today we are going to make a bra cap and a bra. So first we're going to require an orange yarn at 100 grams and a 3.5mm hook. So first we are going to make 10 chains. So first we're going to tie a knot and we're going to make 10 chains. So now we have 10 chains and this is what our chain looks like. So we're going to chain 2 more and we get a total of 12. So with 12 chains we're going to make, from the 10th chain to the first chain we're going to make double crochets in each chain. So we start with our 10th chain, then our 9th chain, then our 7th chain. So we are going to make double chains till we have here at our first chain. So now we are done and this is what we have. So this is our last double chain, and so we are going to continue the double chains on this other side. So we are going to do like this and progress with this other side so that we may come with this side. So we are going to come also with this side. And also make 10 double chains. So this is our third one, our fourth one. So we are going to make double chains till we are done with this other side. So now we are almost done and this is what we should be having. So this is what all of us should be having. And so now you can see that this is a C and this is a straight line. So from here now we are going to chain 2 and turn our work. So now we will be working like this and basically not like this. So we are going to progress so that we might meet here. So we are going to continue doing double chains. So we're going to do double chains, and I'm going to show you what you are going to be doing here at the middle. So we will just do double chains till we meet here in the middle. So now we are on our middle chain, and this is what we're going to do. So this is our middle chain, right? This is our middle chain, and so we're going to insert our hook and do 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3. So having done 3 double crochets, so now we are going to progress with 1 single crochet all around, like what you are doing before. So 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and we'll be doing 1 double crochet and we'll be here. So now I am done with this row, and what I'm going to do is chain 2 and I'm going to turn my work, and as you can see the C is forming itself. So this is what we are having so far, And so I am going to also do 1 double crochet till I reach at the middle, do 3 double crochets, then progress. When I reach here, I'm going to do this. So it's going to be this. Every time you do single crochets, you reach here, you do 3 double crochets, then you progress till you have your estimated desired size of your bra cap that you want. So we're going to meet when I'm done. So now we have our caps, and as you can see, I have already done the 150 chains, but so this is what we have. So this is what someone should be having. So that space for the breasts to fit in, so it should be curvaceous. So what you're going to do now, after having this, first we're going to join here. So the reason why I first did my 150 chains is to identify that this is the top side and this is the bottom side. So this is how it should be. So I am going to take on the end of one bra cap and I am going to chain 15. So this is my end of one cap and I am going to chain 15. So 1, 2, 3. For those who don't know how to chain, this is how we call chaining. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So these are 15, and these ones I did 150. These ones, the strips. So having done 15 chains here, I'm going to add 2 extra, 16 and 17, and I am going to make single crochets starting from the 15th one. We added 2 extra, so we're going to count 1, 2, starting from the 15th one to the first one. So we're going to do 15 double crochets into these spaces that we have, and we're going to come back this way. So this is what we call double crochets, and I'm going to do this and repeat till we go back to our first chain that we did. So I'm doing my last chain, and this is what I'm having. So now we are on our bra, and we are going to also continue doing double crochets till we arrive here. And so we're just going to proceed. We're going to look for our first chain in this side, and we're going to continue. And so this is what we have. So we are going to continue into these sides of the bra till we have our desired shape that we want. So this is what we're going to keep doing. So we're going to keep doing double crochets. So you can see that we are joining this length and this length, and we are going to meet when I am here. So continue doing double crochets till you reach here. So now I am done. I am just going to so this is what I am having, and to conclude what I'm doing. And so having done this, I am going to join now these two, and so this is what we are going to do. So having this, we are going to check the end of this, and we see that the end of this cap is this. So being this one, I'm going to cross like this and insert. I'm going to insert there, and after inserting, I'm going to do a double crochet like what I was doing previously, and this is what I should be having. So having done this, I am going to proceed with my double crochets till I am also done with this other side, with this other cap. So we are going to proceed. Till we are also done with this side of this other cap. So I am doing my last double chain now, and this is my end result. So this is what I'm having. So we also need this side, and I'm going to chain 15 like what we did, and 2 extra, so I'm going to chain 17. So so 16, 17, and so now we are going to, since here we had this, so here we are going to do the same, but now we are going to make sure that we are coming here, not here down. So I'm going to do double crochets aiming at this side to attain this exact crocheting. So we did our 17, so we are going to start on our 15th chain, which is the third chain, which is this one, and I'm going to do double crochets till the first one, exactly like what we did to our first side. So after doing our 15th double crochets, this is what I have, and so I am going to do my 16th double crochets, and I'm going to insert my loop to the first chain of this bra cap, so like that, and do a double crochet. And after doing a double crochet, I'm going to take my loop, my hook, and insert it into here after this double crochets. So I'm going to insert my hook here, and I'm going to pull through one and pull through two, and with that I have joined my crochet. So I'm just going to take my scissors and cut this side. So now this is what we have, and this other side. So now we have joined our ends, and this is what we are having. So we're almost done. So this is what we are having, and so having done this, I am going to I told you that I did my 150 chains, so this to this top side and this top side, so that they can cross through the neck back to the shoulders, and we can form an X here so that we can tie for the tightening of the. So we are going to join, and so I'm going to take my chain and first I am going to add some little decorating, and so I am going to count 5 chains from this 150 chains, and so 1 2 3 4 5. So having counted up to 5, I am going to insert my hook, and I am going to take my yarn and I'm going to insert it like that. And so I am going to do a row of chains till here at the middle. So I don't know how many approximately, and you're just going to estimate, since people have different types of breasts and different bra caps that they've made for themselves. So I am just going to do some chains till I have the desired one that I have. So approximately I have done 22 chains, and having done 22 chains, I'm going to come here, and this is what I should be having. So I am going to join my chains into one side of the bra cap, and I am going to join it here. So this is what I should be having. So I'm going to take my hook, and I'm going to insert my hook here on the middle of it, and I am going to pull through one, and pull through two. And so this is what I'll be having. And so I am going to also insert here, pull through one and pull through two. Having done that, I'm going also to do an additional chains till I get to join here on the 5th side of this other. So approximately I did 22, so I'm going to do other 22 chains. So other 22 chains, and I'm going to count 1 2 3, and this is the 5th chain, and I'm going to insert my hook, pull through one and pull through two. So now I am done, and this is what, so I'm going to tie a knot, and this is what we should be having. So now I have what I desired to have, and this is what you should be having. So I'm going to take this side and bring it here to this one and insert it. You can insert it using your bare hand, or you can use a hook. So you're going to use something which is better for you and something which works for you. So I'm going to insert it like that. So yeah, like this, and also this other side. This is what we should be having at the end of the result.